Alright guys, good morning. This is the video showing you how to access the textbook as well as the assignment. So if you're in Google Classroom, where you should find the assignment in the first place, and if you're on this video, you've already found it. But if you're on Classroom, to get to the textbook, you go to where it says classwork and where it says textbook. Okay, whenever we do textbook activities, this is going to be how you guys get there. All right, you open it up. Now it breaks it down by section. Okay, we start on chapter 17. Now for the first vocab activity, you got to find words throughout the entire chapter, but I'm not asking you guys to read the entire chapter at once. That'd be a little crazy. All right, if you look at the vocabulary sheet, there's 20 words. Each of those 20 words is written on here, and it's written in blue. It's a different color than the rest of the words. So you can just scan, find a word that's blue. Okay, so Renaissance is the first word on your paper. They are all in order. So read the sentence before and after it to get a definition. So we see the movement was started in Italy, caused an explosion of creativity in art, writing, and thought that lasted approximately from 1300 to 1600. Okay, the term means rebirth, and in this context, it refers to a revival of art and learning. So you would go to the vocabulary sheet, and for Renaissance, you could put revival of art and learning in Italy. That'd be a great definition for the first one. And then you scroll down till you find the next one. Okay, here we go. Humanism. All right, let's see. An intellectual movement that focused on human potential and achievements. You write that down and go down. Secular is difficult. For secular, just write non-religious. Now, again, this is throughout the entire chapter. So once you're done finding all the words, again, they're right here. Okay, all these words are on your worksheet. Once you've gone through all of section 1 in chapter 17, you go back to the links and you go into the next one until you get through 17.4. All right, that's how you find these words. Please get this done as soon as possible. All right, if you have any questions, let me know.